Ways to use black seeds, or Nigella seeds. Black seeds, also known as black cumin, are a valued seed variety that have been consumed throughout human history for their nutraceutical properties. Their healing potentials, promoted by the Prophet Muhammad himself, have had great religious significance dating back to ancient Egypt. We have talked a lot about the highly prized black seed oil, a popular modern-day dietary supplement and its broad range of health benefits. But what about the tiny black seeds themselves? Black seeds, also called Nigella seeds or kalonji, are from the Nigella sativa species and are often sold in bulk quantities. Although not as popular in the States, they are a common recipe ingredient in other parts of the world, especially India and the Middle East. They are a bit different than your average nut or seed, however, with a savory, bitter, and slightly peppery taste. About the size of a sesame seed, they have a chewier texture, not really all that palatable for eating by the handful. Frequently considered a spice seed because of its distinct flavor profile, black seed often accompanies other seasoning favorites on the list of herbs and spices. While not as concentrated as black seed oil, the small, dark, dense seeds do of course contain the valued list of compounds known as thymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, also called nigellone, and thymol. These are the bioactive constituents known for their strong antioxidative, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory qualities. In gourmet cooking, the seeds are often dry roasted briefly to enhance aroma and flavor. And yes, they can withstand heat via roasting, as shown in some research. But we feel it's best to keep cooking time to a minimum to preserve these precious nutrients. Luckily, the many ways we will now discuss do just that. 8 unique and versatile ways to use black seed. Number 1. Salad dressings. Because of their savory, thyme-like flavor, Nigella seeds blend well in salad dressings using either the whole seeds or ground powder. When placed in a vinegar base, they will naturally release their medicinal components, kind of like a tincturing method. This is one of our favorite ways to use black seed. They are also great in a fire cider recipe. Number 2. Spice mixtures. Black seeds make the perfect addition to many spice mixture blends. These are combos like Chinese 5-spice or za'atar that are ready in your spice rack when you need them. Black seed is used specifically in the East Indian whole seed 5-spice blend called panch phoron, composed of equal parts of kalonji or black seed, cumin seed, fenugreek seed, fennel seed, and mustard seed. They are also utilized in the Egyptian spice mixture known as dukkha, usually a combination of toasted hazelnuts, sesame seeds, nigella seeds, coriander, and cumin. Number 3. Flavored oil. Black seeds or kalonji can be infused into melted ghee, butter, or coconut oil. When cooled and solidified, this can be used as a type of low-temp cooking fat when preparing savory foods, sautéing vegetables, or when grilling onions. This is similar to the way Nigella seeds are utilized in Ethiopia when serving a collard green dish called ye abesha gomen. Number 4. Black seed honey. Black seeds can be infused into honey and used by the teaspoon when you feel the onset of a sore throat. The Palestinian thick paste known as kiza is made from ground Nigella seeds, honey, and date syrup. It's traditionally taken by the spoonful to ward off sickness or eaten as a diamond-shaped dessert or used in dessert recipes. Number 5. Flatbreads. It is very popular to use the almighty black Nigella seeds when baking bread and especially when making flatbreads. In India, they are used in naan or brushed with ghee and pressed on the dough before pan frying. Number 6. Food topping. Raw black seeds, especially when ground, make a nice topping for meals and salads. They can be served over hummus or any dip or pâté. Number 7. Tea infusion. One unique way to use these seeds is to infuse them in hot water and consume as a tea. This will release their fragrance as well as beneficial compounds. Number 8. Stir fries. You can add black seeds or ground powders to quick vegetable stir fries. They pair well with ginger or garlic and other aromats like thyme or oregano. Black seeds are used in the classic Bengalese Indian dish called sada aloo chokori, a type of stir-fry blend of potatoes, onions, nigella seeds, asafoetida, and green chilies. Precautions. Consult your healthcare professional before adding black seeds to the diet if you have a serious health condition or are taking any medications. They should likewise be avoided when pregnant or nursing. Thanks for watching! For more in-depth info on black seed as well as top quality online sources, be sure and investigate the links in the description box below this video. Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And don't miss these exciting informational videos.